Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best patio dining set currently on the market, the Pamapic Outdoor 5-Piece Patio Dining Set. If you're in the market for a stylish and durable outdoor dining solution, you've come to the right place. The Pamapic 5-Piece Patio Dining Set stands out for its blend of functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. It features a sturdy iron frame wrapped in premium PE rattan, ensuring durability and weather resistance. The set includes a square dining table with a plastic wood top, which not only enhances durability but also makes it easy to clean. Let's highlight some key features that make this dining set a standout choice. Built to withstand various weather conditions, thanks to its PE rattan material. The chairs come equipped with thick foam cushions covered in olefin fabric, offering exceptional comfort and support. The cushions are machine washable, and the table requires simple wiping with a dry cloth. Adjustable table legs ensure stability on uneven surfaces and includes a hole for adding a parasol, perfect for sunny days outdoors. Assembling the Pamapic dining set is straightforward, with all necessary tools included. It arrives in 2 boxes, making it convenient to handle and set up. The table dimensions are 36.8 by 36.8 by 28.3 inches, providing ample space for dining or entertaining outdoors. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your outdoor living space with a reliable and stylish dining set, the Pamapic 5-Piece Patio Dining Set should be at the top of your list. With its robust construction, comfortable seating, and easy maintenance, it's clear why this set stands out as the best in its category. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Until next time, happy dining outdoors. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Stay tuned for more reviews on the best products in the market.